Hello and welcome to Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. Would you like to enroll as a JKUAT student in any of our campuses? Here is how to make your application online. Start by logging into admission.jkuat.ac.ke. Click here to confirm course requirements and intake availability. Select your campus of choice, program of choice, and college. Once the list of your courses displays, click here to check requirements for your preferred course. If you confirm that you've met all the requirements, go back to the home page and sign up by filling all the details indicated before clicking on the Sign Up button. Upon successful creation of account, proceed to log in on the same page with your email and password used during creation of account. After logging in, fill in the personal data, that is, course details, academic details, supportive documents, and payment details. Please note, you're supposed to upload all the supportive documents indicated and in the format indicated. For you to complete your application, you are required to pay application fees through M-Pesa. Use the pay bill option and enter pay bill number 951200. That's 951200. Enter your account number generated from the system from step 5, that is, payments details after login. Then enter the required amount. Finally, enter the exact M-Pesa generated code back into the system to complete your application. Every application has its own account number generated per transaction. Only applicants who have paid the application fees will be considered. Also, all postgraduate applicants should apply in person from various campuses or departments after confirming the course requirements using above procedure. Visit the website regularly and log in to get the status of your application or admission letter. We wish you the best of luck in your application and look forward to having you as part of our JKUAT family. For more information or questions, please contact our call center using the number 0709 715 815. You can also reach out to us through our social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the handle Discover JKUAT.